Now if you look carefully at the wiper, you can see that the rubber piece down there is actually aiming at a bit of an angle up the window. It should be sitting more like, instead of like that, it shouldn't be like that either. It should be straight up and down like that. Now if you get chatter on your window when your wipers are on, that's probably the cause. Now when I turn on the wipers, let's see if they make noise. Yeah, you hear that? They don't do it every time, but what that is caused by that angle of the rubber bit. So what we have to do is bend that part of the arm right there, right there, just slightly to get those straight. You got to be very careful though. Now what we want to do is angle it a little more this way. So we have to grip it here. You want to grip it tight. I have to repaint these anyway, so I'm not too worried about scratching them. Otherwise I'd be wrapping them with tape or something. And then this one, you put in a different spot farther down. About like that. And you want to hold this one and turn that one up that way a bit, just to twist it slightly. And then when you put it down, we'll be able to see it over here. That blade is nice and straight against the window. And when we go inside, we won't have any chattering on the window, I bet. Let's check. And now when we turn on the wipers, no more chattering. And that's as easy as it gets. That's all you need to do. For those of you wondering or going to make a comment about how I had wrenches or vice grips sitting on the paint, I'm going to be repainting the truck again in the spring anyway, so I'm being a little more careless than I should be, I suppose, but I really shouldn't be putting tools on the paint like that. But in the case of this truck, I'm going to be painting it in the spring. And also, it's got 441,000 kilometers on it. It's an 07. I love my truck, don't get me wrong, but I mean, it's not like it's a brand new truck that I put wrenches on, okay? So don't worry, I recommend not putting tools on paint, but I did it. Oops, my bad. But, you know, hey, like I said, I'm going to be repainting the whole truck in the spring, so it's not that big a deal in this case. Please subscribe to Bruce Fixes Stuff for more helpful video tips.